Oh, so many beautiful dolls! And what are you going to do with them? Elsa decided to give the dolls to her friends, Grandma, Chef, and Mike, her older brother. Well, guys, here's your first task. A cake, but using a doll. Can you do this? Well, I think Grandma is ready. I need milk. Pouring it into a bowl.
Grandma!
Oh, how embarrassing! I poured it on the doll. I didn't want to. Well, it's time to make the sponge cake batter. Mixing milk and flour. And a large egg. Adding some dye. And mixing everything well. It's so beautiful. I like it. Next, pouring it into the mold. Done! This cake is ready. Look, Grandma. What? Oh, when did you do this? I must hurry. Adding cream and lots of layers. It's going to be multicolored. Now, adding some pink cream. Perfect. What about decor? I'm using Skittles cream. Oh yes, this dress is going to be incredible. That was quite easy. And the doll is beautiful. Grandma, did you fall asleep? Hello? I have an idea. Let's take some chocolate. There are a couple of packs here. Grandma won't even notice. I'm so hungry. Chef, what are you up to? You can't eat my chocolate. Give it back. Thank you. Okay, do you want some? No? Great. Well, I need to melt this chocolate. Mixing everything well. Done. It tastes great. Now pouring chocolate over the cake. Decorating it with mini cookies. Beautiful. And here's the doll. I think I'm a genius. Everything is ready.
Well, I've got a cake too. I mean, I'm making one. Here's a super suit. Putting it on. Great. Now I need some groceries. Selecting the cake function. And voila! The cake is ready. Whoa! Now we need some glaze. I've got multicolored one. Wow! Adding some sprinkles. They're like stars. Looks delicious. You guys, that was awesome. Now, inserting a doll inside. There we go. Ready. Elsa, you can try it.
Wow! You've made wonderful cakes for me. Let's start with this rainbow one. Wow! Delicious! What about this one? A chocolate cake. Cool! I love chocolate. Yummy! And this cake looks like real space. Let's give it a try. Yes! Cool! I know. Mike is the winner. Bro, you made the best cake. And now, I want a burger. Come on, guys. I'm waiting.
Let me think. Oh, Ooh! I can make a perfect cutlet out of this. I just need to grill this. Let's get started. Oh yeah. Already looks incredible. Adding a slice of cheese. Whoa, it's melting. Now, a piece of meat. Building a burger. Pink sauce and all of the ingredients. It looks so appetizing. Now, onion rings and pink sauce. Some French fries. Voila! Yes, great. What's that noise? Grandson, what are you building?
This is a burger machine. You only need to press one button. And here is your burger. It's so small and cute. We need more. Hey, work! Oh, I think it got mad at me. Stop! Stop, please!
How dare you! I'll show you how to… Oh! It broke my spatula! Robot? That's it! Well, much better. I'm getting back to cooking, though. Here are some meatballs. Some cabbage salad, cutlet sauce, tomato, and a bun on top. Some extra snacks. Perfect. Elsa, hurry up and try it.
Wow! Let's start with mini burgers. Smells great. And honestly, it's delicious. What about this one? It's also very tasty and very fresh. I like it. Wow! A steak in a burger? That's weird. But let's give it a try. This meat is delicious. And the burger itself? Yum! I know. Chef has won. You really tried hard. And now, I want ice cream. Get started.
Well, I need these buckets of ice cream. Lots of different flavors. Now my blaster. Oops. I've accidentally shot lava at you. But I need to melt everything. Great. Pouring it into the molds. Now, taking the freezing blaster. Whoa, that's powerful. Let's turn it down a little. Freezing. And we've got ice cream cubes. Great. Grandma, what do you think?
You did well. Well, it's time for me to take some ice cream. Putting it on a banana. Some sprinkles on top and everything is ready. What do you think, Chef? Beautiful. But I can do something better. Taking Nutella and pouring it into the mold. Next, some ice cream. Squeezing it right there. Filling everything with Nutella and… voila! It's a delicious dessert. Everything looks like real fruit and berries. Elsa, bon appetit!
Wow! Let's start with these berries and fruits. It's so bright. Wow! How delicious! Yeah, it's awesome. What about this one? Banana split ice cream. Giving it a try? Yeah, cool! And what about this one? It's so unusual. Interesting. But who should I choose? Grandma, You did a great job!
Guys, make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.